Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our application video for design and development engineering in automotive and mechanical. In the previous video, I did the detailed requirement analysis video. Then we got to know that the application deadline is still March 31st. So we have around 1 month of ample amount of time. So you guys can apply. Then you guys can also get an admission because Esslingen in the Esslingen University of Applied Science, it's one of the best course of mechanical engineering that you can get in entire Germany. That's the reason I don't waste any time. We'll get started with today's video. But before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make usually requirement analysis videos. In this requirement analysis, we usually go through the DAD website where we go towards overview, course detail, requirements and registration. Then we will also get to know what are the documents that we need to have in order to apply for it. Then what are the requirements that we need to fulfill in order to get the admission. Say example, what is the degree, what is the grade, or what are the documents that what are the English language criteria, German language criteria, everything. Then we will also we will also note down the deadlines. Then we will also check where to apply. After having all this information, we also made dedicated application video like this which we are making now, and we will also show you step-by-step procedure on how to apply. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me via email or become a YouTube member. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, it will be design and development in automotive mechanical engineering application video. So I will directly go into Esslingen website, Hochschule Esslingen official website. Here you can directly click on studies. Once you clicked on studies, you can go through bachelor degree program that they are offering and master degree program. Usually we are interested in master degree program, so we will click on master degree program. In master degree program, you can check for filters for technology, economy, social, but as it is starting from D, so it is already in the first page, the design and development automotive and mechanical engineering. For electrical engineering, there is also energy system, energy management, say example, and for automotive there is a complete automotive course also which will be in summer semester and things like that. There are so many courses like mechatronics, system engineering, nursing science, resource efficient mechanical engineering, smart factory, which people can work who wants to work on electronics and electrical. Then they can do who wants to work in or study in clean energy or hydrogen, sustainable energy. There is also technology management, everything. But we are today interested in design and development engineering, so we will go into that particular course website. So in design and development engineering, in the short, it is a period of semester in 3 semester course which will be, and it will only present in winter semester. Application deadline is from November 4 to March 31st. So maybe I think it is open already in November. It's been a long time application already open, but nobody commented. That's the reason I always suggest you guys, because I'm also human, I will get for sure missed out or what deadline or what application is open. So please make sure you will show comment it out which college application is open. So now, as we have already looked in, the March 31st has like another 30 days, so we have ample amount of time. In the short, if you're interested in mechanical engineering, come to our university, which is located in very heart of automotive industry. Student can benefit greatly from the close links of technology industries, leaders situated areas such as Bosch, Daimler, Mercedes, Audi, Festo, Porsche, Mahle, Trump, everything. It sounds not believing, but Esslingen is near to Stuttgart. Stuttgart is the place where these companies are located as of now, so you can just look at it. Then if you want to get to know the program flyer, you can just go into this particular website or PDF, and here you can study about program flyer complete, but I usually go through in the content information itself so that you will get to know more information. At first we will go into module handbook, because if a person who is interested in this particular course, he can also just go into this particular program module handbook and check for first the semesters, and here you can just see for the numerical methods in CAD, design and development 1, advanced strength mechanics, materials, vibration and acoustic, integrity of structures, dynamics. In the first semester you will do for 30 credit points, and in advanced material technology, design and development 2, design and manufacturing, vibration and acoustic 2. This will be your project work including in second semester, and third semester you will do master thesis. If you want to take a break and do the internship, then your fourth semester will be thesis, depending upon how you do. But the main thing would be your modules. So if you want to get to know what you will be learning in numerical methods in CAD, you can click on that and you can just see what are the learning knowledge you will do on understanding level, on general knowledge level, on also on practical and ECTS level, and you can also check for the professor who is teaching, and you can also search his paper published in IEEE Explorer, what is research about what he is working on and other things, because there will be lecture notes and other things. Why I suggest you guys to go through module handbook and check for professors papers also, because it will help in two things. One, you can, if you are interested in same similar stream and you have worked in same similar stream, then you can approach the same professor and get a HEV under him, because there will be ample amount of HEVs under a professor. That is one thing. Second, if you are a person who is in dilemma, if I have to study the course, then when you go through the module handbook, then you will think like, is it the subject that I am interested in, or if I join this, will I be able to pass this course? That's the reason I suggest you guys to go through the module handbook, then you will get a complete knowledge. Then the other thing would be study and examination regulation, and this is also a very good important information that you need to go through. I think it will be embedded in the module handbook, where this will have the information about how many time you can take the exam, like how much time you can fail in one subject, and if you fail around 3 to 4 times in particular subject, then your degree will be done. So there are some criterias and things like which you have to finish, and also if only exam is there, or you will also have to finish the assignment, etc. So those information will be in your study and examination regulation. And this is the third 3 semester courses, and here are the ECTS, and here are the course names. And if you want to get to know complete course, then you go to module handbook. And career perspective, you will be shaped in these particular industries: automotive industry, its common suppliers, manufacture and mechanical equipments, mechanical engineering industries, engineering consultancies, process engineering industries, etc. Then application and admissions. Prerequisite, what are the things that you need to have? One thing is CAD, you need to fulfill 55 credit points. You need to fulfill 5 credit points in CAD, and design and mechanical elements 15 credit points, strength and materials and mechanics 10 credit points, and mathematics 8 credit points. So in order to check for that, you can check in language and language test in English and German. So what are the language and English requirements that you need to have? One, you need to have a valid IELTS or TOEFL requirement, where you need to have IELTS 6.5, that is we know, and native language speaker do not have to say you are proving your English, and applicants who have completed their undergraduate degree entirely in English, so medium of instruction is also accepted, are exempt from the English language test. So people who are from India, most of the colleges, they are studied their bachelor in English, so they can get a medium of instruction certificate from their university and submit it if you don't have English at all, if you don't have taken IELTS as of now. If you want to apply, then your medium of instruction certificate is also accepted. And German language, minimum level of A1 upon arrival. So this I am also confused if we have to submit, or it is after submitting, then after getting an admission, before arrival you have to finish. I don't know, but yeah, we will see when we see in the application procedure. And minimum A2 you have to finish before the third semester. This we have already checked for it. Then application packages. So here the application packages, why I am telling you, because they have a forms which template you have to go through for all recommendation form and transcript evaluation, like a letter of motivation. So if you want to take a recommendation from a professor, then please take this particular area or this particular PDF and give it to your professor, so your professor can fill in everything they want in this particular format. So don't fill in or send your Word document which you usually do from your professor. You can keep that, you can attach that if you want to, but this is the recommendation form that has to be filled by your professor with the application number that you will generate once you register for the application. Okay, then recommendation form 1B also, that is also another recommendation form you can check, and this will be your recommendation 1B or second recommendation. That's it. Then the transcript evaluation, this is also vital, because transcript evaluation is the thing where you have to give in certain number of information, which is your percentage or your GPA, and how much or what is your top, or what is your number of ranking in your class if you have one. Then the course has studies regular duration of how many years, say example 4 years, 5 years, etc., etc. Then your full name, then your university enrollment number, which will be for your complete number of 4 years. All these information you can give it in this particular transcript evaluation form, which will also vital, because I went through it and some people will try to miss these documents and ask in the comments where I can get these forms. So there is a thing we have to go through and have this information. Then letter of motivation, template is also there. Please type in here, and it should be 2000 hints or 2000 letters or 2000 character. So please fill in here your letter of recommendation. Curriculum vitae is also there, and checklist will give you a complete list of documents that we need to have in order to fulfill. After that, your curriculum vitae. So this curriculum vitae will be your current work experience, education, your name, etc, etc. And if you have not done any work experience, you will give your particular internship that you have done, or if you have not done anything, then I guess it is not accepted, because in the DART website we already saw you need to have at least 6 months of experience in order to apply for this particular course. Soft skill, technical skills, education, training, everything you can apply here, which is good. And these are the FAQs. You can just go through what are the FAQs that they are talking about. Now tuition fees, which we already talked about, you need to have apply for 1500. You need to be sure that it comes under those, that's way. So 1500 euros will be always there for every public university also. So 1500 plus 250 euros, which will comes up to 1700, which will be your 6 semester or 1 semester fees. And we already talked about the application packages which you have to fill in, and you can just also go through all information for ASM, DDM and MBA. We will directly go into registering for our particular application portal which we can apply. So we check for all requirements, specific requirements, everything we already know. Now we will click on application portal, and here we will just do the registration. Now I will just register and show you how to do it. So I have filled in my first name, surname, and also my email address, which we usually do it for our application, and we will choose our password. Now if you can see, I have filled in all the information for registration, my full name and email address and password, and the security character check, and you can click on register. Once you clicked on register, your account would be activated successfully. Please log in. This is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in first particular video, where I showed you how to register in application portal, and also we checked for the requirement analysis. This is the thing I just wanted to mention in first part of the video. So see you in second part of the application video. Until then, check care. Bye bye.